that we are not Bini.
Woman negenti ekenekwa mu n'ọzọ wena nabata gị na ọbụla oge dịka oge a o wee bụrụ na Ezumezu TV ka enwetakwara gị ozi ọzọ wee bụrụ njem the regent aka ji ofe Abagana njem o jepụrụ ịgata n'obodo a na-akpọ Igbanke ewere na bọsta wee bụrụ na Idumodi dị na bụ one of the communities dị na Igbanke nwere 6 communities mana ebe a na-eketa bụ na Idumodi nke ebe isi ebe onye isi overall ndị eze nọ na Igbanke nọ ka anyị wee bịa kene ya metụ ya nwanne dịka o si wee kwupụta anyị nọ kpọmkwem na ya bụ Igbanke iwetara gozi ya n'uju ime nghọta ka ịghọta na enwe ndị Igbo na-asụ Igbo ọnụ na-asụ bịa ụmụnna anyị bụ ndị Igbo ndị Igbanke dịka esi anụ na ntị anyị bịa ka anyị ga ya bụ akọ na ebe o si ede anya m ga-egosi gị ihe mpụta ihe nchọpụta na-agasị okwu nke anyị nwetagasị n'ọnụ eze maka ọ na-adị mma akọ si koluo ọfụma ọ bụrụ na a na-akọ akụkọ online nke a bụ anyị jụrụ abịara nso wee na-aweta ya bụ okwu dịka o si wee kwesị o wee bụrụ na ndị Idumodi Igbanke bụ ndị Igbo gee ntị na aba akụkọ n'uju dịka anyị ga-ewepụtara gị mgbe na-adịghị anya
ebe chọrọ ikwu nọ Igbanke ọ bụghị Edo steeti ife bụ Ika Igbo because in Ghana, Benin now, if one are going to Owieka, Igbo. Now, Osugo. Okpotugo. Ndị mmadụ ga-anụ that Okpotugo. That anyị bụ Ika, anyị bụ Igbo. That we are willing to go back to our father's land.
Yes, sir.
Our fatherland is that Ika, which is a normal region of our states. More. And it's here that Igbo, Odeto. Igbo oguditamu.
Hey! Onalukwe.
Igbo. Ika and Igbo. It's just had a state now. When I Bible Owieka, Igbo. Is it today started?
No, only had time.
They have been calling us Owieka, Igbo. Any of our person that went to Benin for past, let's say, 10 years ago now. Let me just say 10 years. Even right from beginning, they call us Owieka or Igbo. Ikano lenye. That means the colors.
Yes.
So now we are coming out, even me, as the Royal Majesty of Idumodi Igbanke, not the Royal Highness, are saying that we are not Bini. We are not Edo.
Oh, the king!
We are what they call Ika and Igbo.
Oh, God.
He's repeating what he has said before.
And if you people did not come to our aid to drag your brother away from that cage, the cages. If you did not come to drag your brother away from that cage, for them calling us Bini or Edo, we are not Bini, we are Edo. We are not Edo. We are appealing you, people should join us to drag us away from that cage. They are caging us.
We are in a cage.
That is a pity. It's a pity to turn a monkey into a minister.
Play with us.
They are calling us a monkey into their own judiciary. position. A monkey cannot be a minister. Hello? I'm saying it under impunities. The Honorable Abba have come to me. I've received it to my stimulus. On behalf of my community, they have received him to my stimulus. That we are not Bini. We are Ika and Igbo. Hello, you people have to come to my aid. As I'm saying, if I say Eka, did you know the meaning of Eka? No. If I say Bia, the meaning know about Bia? If I say Eni, the meaning know the meaning of Eni? No. Why are they calling us Bini?
We will help.
Is it a Bini language?
No.
And now, I'm using this opportunity to tell you people that you have Ejabufu.
That's so. That's so.
I'm not saying this other fear of people. I'm not saying this other fear of people. I'm saying this other my own humility, the dignity, audacity I have inside me. I'm not saying it because of Oba. We are not insulting Omonoba. Omonoba is the king of Bini. It's not the king of Edo. Hello? Hi. Omonoba is the king of Bini. We, the kings in Igbanke, are the king of Igbanke. You should like it or not. Under normal circumstances, I'm saying it. If you like, you should serve me paper in the law court. I believe when they serve me paper, and my brothers, sisters in Igbo land, they will not leave me. One, Oba should not go there's the beyond control of his own kingdom. Igbanke is Ika. It's because of we, our brother, Obemudia, that transfer us into the Bini. And he thought that is where he will favor us. And they have done the mistake. And Obemudia cannot control that mistake. That is why Obemudia cannot build a single house in Igbanke here. And he come from Igbanke. Hello? Clap for me. Igbanke, who have a church, is from a bottle here.
Hey.
He's not from
Idausa, Reverend Idausa. Not the musician, no. Reverend Idausa is from a bottle here.
When you're not killing, they would.
Reverend Idausa is from Igbanke here. Because they sold their birthright to Bini people, then now to come back to their own jurisdiction because the problem is there. But I'm telling you, the king, the royal majesty, not king, not the nogi of Idumodi, I'm putting it to you people that we are not Bini. No. We are Igbo.
Yes, so.
And I'm welcoming everybody Igbo here. That the leg you used to come here is the leg you
There's nothing that has a beginning.
Wait.
Igbo land started, but I heard somewhere. This is where the Igbo land ended. We have boundary with these people. We are not them.
Hello, my friend.
You understand what I
I've known
We are not them at all.
you have known me.
See a man.
But I'll be appealing to you.
Different people.
Stop calling me.
So I'm happy with the way our brothers are coming to support us.
See, have my boss check the event. Olu, take the event of everything.
So this is a symbol of courtesy from this kingdom. From your brother kingdom. The lady of what did they say of Idumodi? Of Igbanke.
Well met.
So
Olu was talking. I've given you the mandate. Pray for me.
so this
The
the token of love and affection that we have for our elder Igbo brothers, and the appreciation of your visit to this kingdom. To this kingdom.
This one I commit to you.
Maybe when I did one of Eze Idumodi Igbanke. So you go to permission. So Ghana is that's the way we're telling you. It's I one na amigo. I say one child of free body never. Onye mmelite na na ala. Igbo kwenu. Ya. Igbo kwenu. Ya. Rienu. Ya. Gwanu. Ya. Ụmụnụ gwanu.
Ise.
Ọ ga-adịlụ ndị Igbanke mma o.
Ise.
Ọ ga-adịlụ ndị Igbanke mma o.
Ise.
Ọ Chukwu, ofu Chukwu ka anyị na-efe, Chukwu kele n'igwe na ala. Kele ụwa niile. Onye nwa ka anyị na-efe. Anyị na-agbalị Chukwu bụ anyị. Onye wetara ọjị weta ndụ. Ọkụ agụnye nwata n'aka adịghị eli ya. Onye ọkụ nyidara n'aka menyere ọkụ. Egbe ebele ubego obele onye ga-esi bi ebe na-egosi Igbo ga-ebe. Onwe ndị si na ka nkwukwa anyị. Ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ si ya ta na azụ anwụrụ. Ndụ ọfịa ndụ anụmanụ ọfịa bụ na anụmanụ anwụrụ. Chukwu ga-ebulu anyị ụzọ kpele anyị azụ. Chukwu ga-ebulu anyị ụzọ kpele anyị azụ. Na Chukwu nye anyị ife anyị ga-eri ife ga-eri anyị nye gbafue.
Very far, very far, very far.
Anyị na-asị ka Chukwu bịa nọnyere anyị gaa n'iru ọdịmma, anyị gaa n'azụ ọdịmma, anyị gaa n'aka ndị ma aka ebe ọdịmma. Igwe etu ọkụ ga-adịrị say whatever you do, you will be success and progress. Ogologo ndụ na-arị isi ike ka anyị na-arịọ. Long life and prosperity. Akụ unu ga-adị ka osimiri Niger, ka Atlantic Ocean. Ego unu ga-eju trailer. Ego ga-adị too much. Anyị na-asị na ọ ga-adị nwoke mma dị nwaanyị mma, ọ dị okenye mma, ọ dị nwata mma, ọ dị onye ogologo mma, ọ dị onye mkpụmkpụ mma, ọ dị onye Igbo mma, ọ dị onye gịrịgịrị mma, ọ dị onye ogbenye mma, ọ dị onye ọgaranya mma. Anyị na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ gọzie onye ọbụla ndị niile nọ ebe a. Ụmụ nwoke ndị nwere nwunye ka Chukwu chọtara n'ezigbote nwunye. Ụmụ nwaanyị ndị nwere di ka Chukwu chọtara di.
Ndị nwe ụlọ.
A na-asị ka Chukwu gọzie di na nwunye ka ha na-anụ nwunye ọfụma, ka anyị na-agbasa ka anyị nwee ntịsa, ka anyị na-eje na kọt. Ka Chukwu gọzie di na nwunye nyefe ụmụ, anyị chụọ ụmụ rinne, ụlọ anyị zụcha ụmụ ka ụmụ zụọ anyị, ka akpa na anyị nka na yo Chukwu ụkwụ anyị ji bịa ka a ga-eje na ụkwụ ndị Igbanke ji wee bịakwa ka a ga-eje na chụọ ọkụkọ nwa ada ọkụkọ nwa maka na ga-ama ọzọ ma ọzọ ga-ana. Ife onye ọbụla chọrọ n'elu ụwa, ife ọbụla ị na-alụ onye bụ eze ka Chukwu gọzie ya onye bụ eze ka Chukwu gọzie ya onye bụ lọya ka Chukwu gọzie ya ka Chukwu gọzie ndị Igbanke nye bụ ife niile chekwuru ofe ife ọ na-aba chọọ n'elu ụwa ndị Igbanke ga-enwe na mmeri ga-abụ nke fa ndị tinye fa na mkpakana fa ga-agbaji nke mkpakana na ife anyị na-ayọ na afa Chukwu anyị na-agọzi ọjị n'afa nna nna anyị nna ndị Abịa, ndị Aniọma, ndị Anambra, ndị Ebonyi, ndị Enugu, ndị Imo, ndị Rivers, onwere na ndị Igbanke ka anyị ji afa nna nna anyị for our ancestors to God bless you. So anyị jikwa afa Eke Oye Afọ Nkwọ Agọzi Njọ ọjị ana agọzi Chukwu ọjị a n'afa Chukwu abịa
mmụọ na mmadụ mmụọ na mmadụ na-apụ na-abata.
Yes, my friend, pray to us. I, the Royal Majesty, as I pray for us. As so shall it be. Amen.
So,
yeah, no. What?
Today, 28th of August, Thursday, is a special day in the history of Igbo land. Efforts made for years now by Obi of Idumodi in charge of Ndi Igbo worldwide was here to see His Royal Majesty Igbanke. In all his long time struggle to unite the Igbos worldwide. That's why I say it is a special day. We know we have been fighting, struggling to make sure that the Igbos come together as a race, as a nation. Who has traveled to all parts of the world, the Caribbean, America, South America, looking for our lost brothers and sisters sold into slavery over 400 years ago. And today is in Igbanke to see His Royal Majesty.
Especially Igbanke.
Igbanke. To see His Royal Majesty and his people with the agony they are facing in the hands of the Bini people. Yeah, he told us here that they are Igbos, they are not Edo people, and they are not Bini people. That's what he told us. Yes. Right? It's a very strong statement, very, very strong, that have a way to enter Igbo history and archive. His Royal Majesty. Yes. Our visit today is being had globally now. They are watching it all over the world. They are watching it. You know what, Bagger? Very grateful and very happy. See you in person. Shortly, we'll go to other areas in Igbanke, right? And interact with them, dialogue with them, to help in his struggle to unite the Igbos globally. Thank you so much. We appreciate.
Bless you. What is there, my friend? I will get your contact. Even night, wake me in the night. Don't say king. Eh? Don't say king. You are fighting for nation, you are fighting for community. Wake me for night, I will answer you.
We are very glad to receive you people, though there was no notice.
But
Whatever it be, but what I have to say, there was a delegate that was sent. I'm not based in Igbanke. I'm based in Port Harcourt. But when Ohaneze Ndi Igbo sent people here, I came to visit His Royal Highness. A blessing in Jebo. So when the delegates came, and they came without notice. So I was here on a visit. We jointly received them. So I'm very impressed by the fact that what happened about 3 months ago is also repeating itself with the visit of His Royal Majesty, the Eze of Abagana. So it was just an impromptu visit, and it happened to be that I'm still here. I'm Dr. Barrister Ngozi
I'm going home now. I'm going inside now.
By His grace of God, I'm the spokesperson or the spokesman of the Igbo National Union worldwide. This place you see is Igbanke. It's the last boundary. There's nothing that has a beginning without an end. Igbo land started from Enugu. It ended here. If you move from here now, use your vehicle. You are not a stranger from here to Enugu. You are just on ground. This is where Igbo land ended. So we are Igbo people here. It's only the unfortunate thing is that there must be a boundary. No matter how even Chinese, a population of over 2 billion, they still have people.
They watch all over the world.
So our people were using our phone.
I am the ones.
But they deceive our people, their fathers, that they should discard our phone and use Adal and Ebony.
Tell them that
Me know what a phone is. Some of our people still have a phone. We don't discarded it. But we didn't know that we are now giving up our freedom for slavery.
Okay.
So you are coming is impromptu, but we must be at our best. Because by His grace, I am on ground, and we see that everything will proceed successfully. What you call a car is what we are calling it here. What you call Enono is what you call it. What you call it Bada. What you call AD. What you call Enono. You know what Enono is. Whatever you call anything is what we call here. We are Igbo people. It's only unfortunate that we found ourselves here.